In this video, we are going to see how we can play the Roblox on full screen mode without you having to see the window on the top and taskbar at the bottom. If you want to switch to complete full screen in Roblox, here is how you can easily do it. So first of all, what I recommend you to do is whatever game you are playing, it doesn't really matter. What you can do is just head over to the Roblox menu and we click on the settings, and from here see if that shows the full screen option. If it shows that, you just turn it off and immediately you will turn it to the full screen mode without you having to see the window on the top and taskbar at the bottom. So that is one way of doing it. So in 90% of the cases it should work, but if it is not working, you just hold the shift key and press F11 key on your keyboard, so that will turn it to the full screen mode. So that is how you can switch to full screen in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.